In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email feature in Lovable. By the end, you'll have a clean, responsive contact form that sends emails and shows clear success or error feedback, all inside your Lovable project. Start by heading to lovable.dev in your browser and opening the workspace. Create a new project or open an existing one where you want the email feature to live. When creating a new project, give it a simple description of your goal so Lovable understands the context. Something like portfolio site with a contact form, which helps it generate relevant components. Before building, decide how you want to send emails. You can use traditional SMTP or a hosted email API. In practice, Lovable works best with modern email APIs because they're easier to integrate, more reliable, and typically offer templates, spam protection, and analytics. If you're newer to this, a service like Email.js is often the fastest path to a working setup, since it can send messages without you building a full backend. Just remember to keep any service IDs or keys secure and avoid exposing them in public code. Use environment variables or Lovable's secure configuration options whenever possible. Next, prompt Lovable to create the form. In the prompt or chat, clearly describe what you need so the generated UI and logic match your expectations. Ask for a contact form with fields for name, email, and message, a submit button, and built-in success and error messages. Specify that it should be responsive and look clean on mobile and desktop. Clear instructions like validate the email format and required fields help Lovable add useful checks automatically. Once you submit the prompt, give Lovable a moment to generate. It may take a little while for the new form to appear in your preview. If you don't see it right away, refresh the preview or reopen the page section where the form should live. Finally, add email notifications. Connect the form submit handler to your chosen email method. For an API-based service, map the form fields to the template variables, include a meaningful subject line, and set the recipient to the address where you want to receive messages. Make sure the UI updates on success, clearing the form and displaying a friendly confirmation, and on error, showing a concise message with guidance to try again. Do a quick test with sample data to confirm delivery, check the services logs if anything fails, and adjust the copy or styling as needed for a polished feel. That's it. Your Lovable project now collects messages and sends them straight to your inbox.